Is asking quiz.
Jana bro, start.
Good morning, respected Tanveer sir and all my dear friends. Myself is Zayan Afroz Diwan. Today I am going to conduct a quiz on the upcoming final exams on history and geography. My question one is, which is the most populous country in the world? A. China, B. India, C. Spain, D. USA.
Can I say?
Mr. Shivchandar. Shivchandar.
Okay, Arshad.
Sir, I will say.
Shivchandar. Shivchandra.
Yes, China.
Wonderful. You gave the correct answer. My second question is, which is the earliest period? A. Paleolithic period, B. Mesolithic period, and C. Neolithic period.
Arshad.
Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period.
Very nice. You gave the correct answer. Now my third question is, who was the Greek ruler of West Asia? A. Seleucus Nicator, B. Ashoka, C. Megasthenes.
Abdul Rahman.
Sir, I did not hear. What was the question?
Wonderful. You gave the correct answer.
Ashoka is the correct answer, correct? Ashoka is the correct answer, correct?
No. Greek ruler of West Asia.
Oh, I didn't hear properly. Seleucus Nicator. I didn't hear
Correct.
properly.
Wonderful. You gave the correct answer. Question number 5. Who was the most famous Mauryan ruler? A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta, and C. Samudragupta.
Can I say?
Ayman. Ayman.
Samudragupta.
No.
Can I say?
Arshad.
So you're giving Arshad.
Arshad. Okay, sir. Ashoka.
Yes, you gave the correct answer. Now my fifth question is, what is the ancient name of coastal Orissa? A. Kalinga, B. Patliputra, and C. Bihar.
Hello, can I say?
Mirza Abdullah.
Patliputra.
No. Can I say?
Please,
Very wrong.
Yes, sir, it's Kalinga.
That's correct.
Okay, one by one you give the answer.
Pataliputra. It's
Patna's
Kalinga.
old name was
Abdullah, why you said the answer?
Orissas. It was of Patnas.
It was my chance only.
Jana bro.
Patna is
But you told wrong
Patna was
answer.
the ancient name of Patna.
The correct answer is Kalinga.
Very good.
Kalinga.
yes, I don't know Kalinga.
Second, I said the correct
Okay, don't
answer.
shout in between. I will ask the name of the boy who will ask the answer.
Okay, sir.
Now my sixth question is, who wrote the Samudra Gupta's Prashasti? A. Harishena, B. Harshvardhan, C. Chandragupta.
Can I say? Sir, can I say?
Jiva.
What was the question? What was
Jiva.
Who wrote Samudra Gupta's Prashasti? A. Harishena, B. Harshvardhan, C. Chandragupta.
Can I say?
Deva, it's your chance.
Someone already told the answer. Any answer?
Hecha. Give the answer. Hecha.
So the answer is Jiva.
Harishena.
So Harishena.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Jiva already told this answer.
Okay. It was network was slow.
Oh, you got Jiva.
Next question. Very good. Approach. Next question.
Okay, sir. Now my seventh question is, the word Prasasti belongs to which language? A. Sanskrit, B. Prakrit, C. English, D. Urdu.
Can I say?
Can I say?
Can I say?
Can I say?
Prajesh.
Sanskrit.
Wonderful. You gave the correct answer.
Both.
Now my eighth question is, who was the most famous Chalukya ruler? A. Pulakeshin, 2. B. Ravikirti, C. Ashoka.
The answer goes to Viraj Gandhi.
Can you say the option again?
A. Pulakeshin, 2. B. Ravi Kirti, C. Ashoka.
Ashoka?
Sir, can I say the answer?
No.
Can I say?
Okay, so Ravi Kirti. Ravi Kirti. Ravi Kirti.
Abdurrahman,
Sir, Pulakeshin 2. Pulakeshin 2.
Pulakeshin 2, not Ravi Kirti.
Wonderful, you gave the correct answer.
Sir, Ravi Kirti was the one who wrote the Prasasti. He was not the king.
Yeah.
Yes.
very
Ravi
good.
Kirti.
Now the ninth question is, what was a village assembly found in areas where the landowners were not Brahmins?
Can I say, sir?
No.
Can I say?
Ammar Firoz.
B. Bihar, C.
Ammar
Kalinga.
Firoz. Ammar Firoz.
What was the options?
Yes, sir. Can
Option.
you say the option again? Everybody's shouting.
A. Ur, B. Kalinga, C. Bihar.
What was the first option?
What was the first
Can
option?
I
Say
The options.
Can I say, sir?
options are Ur, Kalinga, and Bihar.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Can I say the answer?
Can I say?
Can I say?
Ammar
Sir, can I
Firoz.
say?
Can I say, sir?
Don't shout. I will ask the answer. Don't shout. Abdullah shout.
Sir.
Ma'am, Mirza Abdullah.
Sir, can you say the question again?
What was a village assembly found in areas where the landowners were not Brahmins? A. Ur, B. Kalinga, C. Bihar.
Me.
Kalinga.
No.
Can I say?
Can I say? May I
Can I say?
answer?
May I answer?
Rajesh.
Sir.
Then I want to tell.
Why,
Rajesh.
Prajesh?
Rajesh, say. Sir, Ur, you are village.
Yeah.
Very nice. You gave the correct answer. Now my 10th question is, what is a village assembly of Brahmins landowners known? A. Sabha, B. Ur, C. Patliputra.
Can I say?
Shiv
Can I say?
Chandra.
Can I say?
Can I say?
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Now my 11th
Everyone is telling.
What is the meaning of Mahadandanayaka? A. Chief Judicial Officer, B. An important minister, C. Chief Craftsman.
Muhammad Ahmad. Muhammad Ahmad.
Can you repeat the options? Options only.
A. Chief Judicial Officer, B. Important Minister, C. Chief Craftsman.
Important minister.
I can say the answer.
The answer. The answer.
Akshat.
Chief Judicial Officer. Chief Judicial Officer.
Judicial
Yeah.
officer.
Yes, you gave the correct answer.
Correct answer.
Mahadanda Nayaka.
Now my 12th question is, which Chinese pilgrim noticed the plight of the untouchables? A. Yu,
Can I say?
Can I
say?
B.
Viraj.
Fajian,
Pangxian.
correct answer.
Pangxian.
Now my 13th
Fajian.
question is, what is the period of one Earth day? A. 24 hours, B. 22 hours, or C. 20 hours?
Question. Repeat the question.
Can I
What
say?
is
Can I
the
say?
period of one Earth day? A. 24
Can I
hours, B. 22 hours.
Second is the answer.
I
Esha.
cannot even hear the question and answer.
Esha.
I mean options.
Esha.
Sir, 24 hours.
So simple.
Wonderful, you gave the correct answer. Now my 14th question is, the Lakshadweep Islands are located in which sea? A. Mediterranean Sea, B. Arabian Sea, C. Arabian Sea.
So can I see the answer?
Mirza Abdullah.
Sir, can you say again?
Okay.
Sir, can I say the
Lakshadweep
answer?
Islands are located in which sea? A. Mediterranean Sea, B. Caribbean Sea, or C. Arabian
The
Sea.
Mediterranean Sea. Can
No.
I see the answer?
Can I say?
No.
Sir, can I say? Can I say?
Abdul Ahmad. Abdul Ahmad.
Sir, the correct answer is Arabian Sea.
Correct
You
answer.
gave the correct answer.
So far,
Now
Arabic.
the 15th
Arabic.
question. What is
Not the
meaning
question.
of in Arabic?
You are saying the question.
What?
A. Seasons, B. Weather, C. Sun, D. Winter.
Hello.
question
Repeat the
again.
question again. No one heard.
Yes.
Okay. My 15th question is, What is the meaning of mausim? A.
Can I-
Seasons. B. Weather. C. Sun. D. Winter.
Sir, can I
Can
say?
I say? Can I say?
Shiv Chandra. Shiv Chandra.
Weather. Season.
Good.
Seasons. Wonderful. You gave the correct answer. Now my 16th question is, which is the national animal of India? A. Tiger. B. Lion.
Can I
Or C.
say?
Cow.
Jiva. Jiva.
It was national animal or bird. I not. It was like. It was national
Which is
animal
the
or
national
bird.
animal of India?
Tiger.
Yes, correct.
Very good. You gave the correct answer. Now my 17th question is, which is the national bird of India? A. Peacock. B. Crow. C. Robin.
Can I
Viraj.
at least say this one?
Can I say?
Viraj
Sir,
Gandhi.
can I say?
Viraj Gandhi.
Sir, who? Yes,
can I
sir.
say?
Peacock. Peacock.
Good.
Wonderful. You gave the correct answer. Now my 18th question is, which is the southernmost range of Himalaya? A.
Not
Shiva.
southern.
Sir, can I say the answer?
Echa.
Sir, Shivalik. Shivalik.
Very good. You gave the correct answer. Now my 19th question is, corals are the skeletons of which animal? A. Polyp. B. Plankton. C.
What?
Fish.
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can I say?
Arshad.
I can say many animals.
Eman.
Say the question again. Say the question again. I forgot the question. Just say again.
What can I say?
Tell Arshad answer.
Polyp,
Many
polyp,
animals.
polyps.
Very good. You gave the correct answer. Now my 20th question
Marine
is,
animal.
how many days are there in a leap year? A. 366. B. 365. C. 266.
Eman.
What?
Yeah.
366 days in leap year.
Correct.
Correct
Very
answer.
good. You gave the correct answer. Now my 21st question is, Christmas is celebrated in summer in
Sir,
which?
can I say?
Can I say?
Sir, can I?
Can I?
Sadraman.
Can I say
A.
Abdul?
Australia. B. USA. C. UK.
Umar.
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 Hisham.
So Hashim, that is.
Hisham.
Oh, okay.
Hashim. Lukman.
Sir, Australia.
Correct.
Rajesh.
Wonderful. You
Then
gave the
Hashim
correct
told the
answer.
correct answer.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Start now. Why you are saying Arshad answer in between? Jana Pros continue.
Sir, quiz is finished.
Finished. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Abdul-
tomorrow can I prepare the quiz?
Now Abdul Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you will be preparing the quiz for the boys. Geography,
Okay, sir.
geography, history, and civics. It is up to you. You can have PowerPoint presentation. You can ask through PowerPoint or you can ask already like Jana Pros.
Okay, sir. Sir, I will make a PowerPoint presentation.
Okay.
Sir, I will make 20 questions.
Very
20 or
good.
10 questions.
25 questions. 25 you make.
Okay, sir.
21 students are there. Each one answer one question at least.
Okay, sir. I will make 21 questions.
Now, tell your views about today's performance of Jana Pros.
That is great. Thank you, Zayan. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Mohammad
Welcome,
Arshad, what you will say?
nice
Mohammad Arshad, what you will say about Jana Pros quiz today?
Nice.
It was very nice.
Nice and important questions are there.
Yeah. There were important questions.
Shub Chandra, you liked it?
Yes, sir. I liked, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
But where are these Anand
Sir, even
Sharma?
me too. I like.
Very good.
Sir, I like the quiz.
Jana Pros, thank you very much for your hard work in preparing this quiz.
Thank you, sir.
But there are some students who have not answered even a single question, like Muhammad Hashim,
Yes,
Hisham,
sir.
Lukman, Umar, Ammar Firoz,
So Hashim answered the last question.
Rashmi. So tomorrow, this person will be answering first,
Sir, I want to say something.
and then
Sir, I
yes,
make 20
let's chat.
questions because I will not answer, correct? So I make 20
Yes, sir.
questions. Each
Yeah.
one.
Sir, during the quiz when Zayan was asking questions, sir, during that you have to mute all. Sir, because all of the students are saying, can I say the answer?
Yeah.
Sir, in that case, we cannot hear the questions and options of Zayan.
Yes, sir. We can first understand the question. We forget the options, or we will
Yeah.
understand the options and we forget the question.
Very
Yes,
good.
same.
Very good suggestion of Shah, and I will tomorrow inshallah do that. And one by one, I will ask the boys and open them, unmute them, and ask them to answer. Good. But tomorrow, those who will answer in between, their marks will be cut. Their assessment marks will be cut. Those who will speak in between unnecessarily. Tomorrow, whoever we ask the question will answer. No one will shout. Susanna Frost, well done.
Thank you, sir.
You have done a great job. So on behalf of all the classmates, I congratulate you for doing such a wonderful job. And you are a very good boy.
Thank you,
A
sir.
plus, sir, Zayan.
Huh?
A plus.
A